Alright, assignment time. So for your assignment, we need to look at, taking your studies from Unit 2 and 3, doing the complete process of retopologizing them, adding UVs to them, and at least producing a normal map for them, putting them in Maya, and making them into a project. Okay? So, in the outcome, this is what I would have. Now, a normal map is the bare minimum requirement. Okay? I just want to have knowledge that you know how to transfer maps out of Mudbox into Maya. What I'm going to be grading you on is how clean everything looks, how detailed everything looks, and how clean your hypershade is. So if I go into your hypershade, I should have something like, even this should have been like maybe skull. If I click on this, I should see a nice clean tree. So this is a good example of the skull, and the other one is your study. So you'll have 3 studies, just like this. Now going back, I would probably add a little bit more contrast to the bones, but that was hearsay and afterthought. So you can see how nice that contrast plays in your modeling. So we got a lot of contrast here, and then if you go over to this one, not a whole lot of contrast. So that's what I'm talking about, contrast. Okay, so this one, again, all your bones need to be on the same 0 to 1, just like this. Your wooden plaque that you used to mount needs to be a separate material. Here I should have my bones, and here's my plaque. So that's an outcome for this unit. You'll have 3 of these in total, and you'll have 1 skull, totaling 4 studies altogether. I'm also grading you on the process of, like your package. So these should be zipped up. I should be able to just go File, Open Scene, and open it right up, and all the maps attach. Everything just magically appears. If that does not happen, I mark you down, but here's what I'm looking for. Is if I page over to color map, notice I have no information of hard drive in here. It's just the map itself. That's another very important thing. Okay, so clean up, package it correctly, zip it up correctly. When I showed you how to zip it up in both outcomes, and I want those zip files. 4 zips in total. Okay. Alright, so I think I spelled it all out. I hope you enjoy.